Dear students, good morning. Once again your physics teacher, Shafiq Malik, from Pakistan International School, Doha, Qatar, is over here to welcome you. As you know, in previous week, we have studied all the topics of first unit, work and energy, of grade 8 physics. Today we will discuss test yourself questions. Therefore, all of you please open your science book, page number 3. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to solve test yourself questions on their notebook. Test yourself, page number 3. Dear students, in this test yourself, you have already done question number 1 and 2. Now we are going to solve question number 3. If the shopping trolley, shown on this page number 3, was pushed for 15 meters, how much work would the boy do? Its solution is: first of all, you will write down the data. In this figure, on page number 3, you can see that a boy is applying a force which is equal to 10 Newton. Distance is 15 meters. Now, work done is equal to force multiplied by distance moved. Or work done is equal to 10 Newton multiplied by 15 meters. Or work done is equal to 150 Newton meters, or 150 Joule, or 150 J. I hope you have understood this numerical problem. Solve this question on your notebook. Test yourself, page number 5. Dear students, in this test yourself, you have already done question number 1, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to solve question number 2 and 3. Question number 2. Why do things fall to the ground when you drop them? Its answer is, all over the world things are constantly falling down due to force of gravity. Gravitational force pulls all objects towards the center of the Earth. All such objects have gravitational potential energy. Question number 3. What gave Sir Isaac Newton the idea about gravity? Its answer is, Sir Isaac Newton came to the conclusion that gravitational forces exist between all bodies. Not only the Earth attracts a body, but all the bodies attract each other. Dear students, write these questions on your notebook. Dear students, although question number 5, in this test yourself, was your homework, but I am going to solve that question here. Question number 5, what does 1 kilogram of matter weigh on Earth? Its solution is, mass of matter is equal to 1 kilogram. Gravitational field strength G is equal to 10 Newton over kilogram, and we are going to find the weight on Earth. As you know, W is equal to mg. W is equal to 1 multiplied by 10. Or W is equal to 10 Newton, or W is equal to 10 N. Here we cancel kilogram and kilogram. Test yourself. Page number 7. Question number 1. Give 3 examples of things which have chemical energy stored in them. Its answer is, things that have chemical energy are: number 1, food has chemical energy. Number 2, fuel has chemical energy. Number 3, battery has chemical energy. Dear students, you can also add your own examples in this question. Question number 2. Give 3 examples of things which have elastic potential energy stored in them. Its answer is, things that have elastic potential energy are: number 1, a stretched bow has elastic potential energy. Number 2, a stretched elastic band has elastic potential energy. Number 3, a stretched coil spring has elastic potential energy. Dear students, you can also add your own examples in this question. Question number 3. Explain the difference between elastic potential energy and gravitational potential energy. Its answer is, elastic potential energy. Number 1. The energy stored in a body due to deformation of the shape of the body. Number 2. The work done against elastic force is stored in the body in the form of elastic potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Number 1. The energy of a body with respect to the surface of Earth is called gravitational potential energy. Number 2. The work done on a body against gravity is stored in the body as gravitational potential energy. Dear students, question number 4 on page number 7, you have already done on your notebook. Homework. Write down the answer of all questions on your notebook, which are given in these slides. Learn the statements of did you know and different figures which are given on page number 3, 4, 5 and 6 on your science book. Thank you and goodbye.